I just got off my flight and I'm in Long Beach and I'm gonna go meet up with my sister Cammie and my sister Amber and my mom, and we're gonna go on a girls cruise. Here's my cute sister Cammie and Amber in the background. We're gonna go check in on our cruise.
We're so excited!
It's gonna be a really great time.
Yes, it is.
The water's over here and it's beautiful. We're getting ready to go on the boat. There she blows.
It's a little windy today.
Everyone's getting her dance on. Oh yeah, get it, girl. Oh yeah.
Lost in the elevator.
We are. Cute. This is us.
Okay, this is safe.
Ooh, this is our Riviera deck. This is where we gotta go. We found our room. What did you think? You're right here, Amber. Why don't you give us the grand tour?
Well, first of all, it smells like Little Caesars breadsticks in here. Come on in.
That's awesome because that's like my favorite food. Here's our sweet bathroom. Here's our bedroom. Cammie, we get a window. Oh, sweet. It totally does.
Oh, look at that little window.
Oh,
It's fabulous. Oh, how fun.
there's our view. Cammie's super happy about
Hey,
it.
that's a big window.
We're exploring on the boat. Ooh, an elevator. We're gonna go look for some food, and it's a dance party going on. Oh yeah. We're getting some tacos for lunch at La Cantina. We're just hanging out, waiting for our prep meeting. Here's cute Aunt Donna. She's getting some hot chocolate going. I'm here with my sister Amber. We're ready for the boat to take off.
Absolutely.
We just went through safety briefing.
We're gonna go get more hot chocolate.
Yeah, I want
They're
more hot
cold.
chocolate.
Arizona blood is
Ooh,
freezing.
There's lots of seagulls. Heading to dinner. It's a party. We just sat down at our dinner table.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo.
Mom got the alligator bites. How are they?
Good.
Yeah? What do you think, Lacey? Pretty good?
That's good. It tastes like chicken.
Oh,
What are those things called? Like salmon patties or something. Oh yeah.
you're
right. Or hush puppies.
Hush puppy here, tuna. Look who came to join our table. Mahi mahi.
That's amazing. I like that white color.
Salmon.
Is that chicken?
No.
2 meals for me.
The best part about a cruise is you can get 2 meals.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
And I did.
And I'm gonna do that tomorrow. That's a smart thing. There's something going on. Napkins all around. Oh yeah. I got the chocolate cake, fruit platters. How was it, Lacey?
Too good.
Everyone's got hats on. Oh, those all look good. You find one you like? doing some more shopping. We're heading up to go see some fireworks, and I forgot my jacket, so I'm wearing my robe because it's really warm. We're heading up for some fireworks. I'm super glad I'm wearing this bathrobe because it's quite chilly out, but we got these sweet chairs. We're waiting for the fireworks. Everyone on the boat is on one side, and so it's tipping. These two are all ready for a show. Look who's with Aunt Cammy. Hello. Hello, hello. Happy 4th of July. Woo, 4th of July. Woo. Cam, are you enjoying these fireworks?
Oh, I'm loving them. I'm just thinking how I'm just sitting here relaxing. I'm like, when's the last time I sat and watched fireworks? It's been a long
Yeah,
time.
it's
nice
dreamy.
cool weather.
It's dreamy in these lounge chairs.
It is. A+.
My pizza. Everyone's being good and not eating late at night. But I am. This is the best part. Is they make cute creatures out of your towels. How fun is that? We just got all ready for bed. It's been an awesome first day on the cruise. It has been years since I've been on a cruise, and I forgot how much fun they are. So I'm hoping that Jake and I can schedule one sometime soon because he's never been on a cruise, and I think it would be awesome. But I was thinking about a funny story. So when I was younger, I wasn't as loud as I am now. I was a little bit more shy, and my family went on a cruise, and I was at the kids club, and they had a talent show, and I signed up to do the talent show. And I guess I told my parents, I'm like, Mom, Dad, I signed up for the talent show. And they're like, what are you gonna do? I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do a headstand. Which is so random. And so I did a headstand in the talent show, and I remember my dad telling me, he was like, oh my gosh, I was so proud of you. He's like, you've never done something like that. And ever since then, you have just blossomed and been more outgoing. And so I have to say, being on a cruise is bringing back some fun memories, and it's been exciting. But thanks so much for following along today. Hope you have an amazing day.